everyone and welcome to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making brown sugar cake. So let's get started. You will need 3 cups of grated coconut. You can either grate your coconut or you can blend your coconut. If you blend your coconut, be sure that you blend it so that it is not fine, that the coconut still has some texture. And also be sure that you remove a little bit of the coconut water, okay? You'll also need 3 cups of brown sugar, 2 bay leaves, 1.5 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now you're going to cook this just until everything is combined. You are going to cook your coconut and sugar mixture until the coconut mixture leaves the side of the pan. That's when you know that you can actually remove it from the pan and put it on a sheet to harden. So I'll show you when that has reached that stage. So we are just gonna stir everything until it's combined, and it's gonna cook on low heat. And don't worry that it looks a little dry. What happens is that the moisture from the coconut is gonna form a syrup together with the sugar, and it's all going to melt and come together. Okay, now the sugar has melted together with the liquid from the coconut, and this is what it will look like. You are going to cook this until most of the liquid has dried out. And when most of the liquid has dried out, you are now going to keep stirring and watching your pot, because once the mixture begins to leave the sides of the pot, it's time to remove it from the heat and put it out to cool. Okay guys, so this is what your mixture will look like. So now we are going to take it off of the heat and we are going to put it spoonful by spoonful. But first you remove your cinnamon sticks and you remove the bay leaf. I'm now going to put it out by spoonfuls, just little scoops like this. And you're going to just leave it until it is completely dry, and that will be your sugar cake, okay? As you can see, it's still moist, but it's not dried out. Okay guys, so this is your sugar cake. You can line your pan, any baking sheet, with either parchment paper, foil, or you can do wax paper, or you can just leave it as is without lining it, and you just put your sugar cake on it and you just wait until it's cool and hard. And this is brown sugar cake.